Hi, this is Achintya, and in this video I will tell you about how the multimeter works and how to check if the multimeter is working or not. So the first thing is to check if your multimeter is working is just to turn your dial from this position to any other position, and you should see some display over here, so that it's your multimeter is working. No, just kidding. So there are two things that you have to check here. One, if your display is working, it means if your display is working, it means your multimeter is powered. And the other thing that you can possibly check is if your leads are working. So to do that, put your multimeter in a continuity mode, which means that your arrow should be here. This is a symbol which is like a Wi-Fi, and if your leads are working properly, to check there should be a continuity sound. If the sounds comes, which means your leads are working properly. This means there is a proper connectivity between your both the leads and your multimeter is working, right? So once you have done this, you can be almost 90% sure that your multimeter is working fine, and you can go ahead with measuring your voltage, current, resistor, or whatever it is. Now if your display is not showing anything, here there are two chances. One is your battery might have been drained, so open your casing and you have to replace the battery. Second thing is your fuse might have blown out, so you have to open the casing again and replace your fuse. And if your display is working and if you are not able to hear this continuity sound, for example this, it means there is a problem with your leads. Now before you go ahead, just make sure that your black probe is connected to the COM, and your red port is connected to V or M, A. So in this condition, when these both are connected, the leads you should hear a continuity sound. If there is no continuity, then either one of your leads should have been damaged. You can just proceed with replacing them. So after trying all this, if your multimeter still doesn't power up, and if you are not able to hear a beep tone in a continuity, then it means your multimeter needs some repair work. Now assuming your multimeter is working, here a few tips that you can use to make sure that you are always using this device safely. First thing, you have to be aware about the readings on the top of your multimeter. So if you check here, you can measure two types of voltage with this device. One is direct DC voltage and the another is the AC voltage. So the AC voltage symbol is represented like this, and the DC voltage symbol is represented like this. And this under DC voltage and AC voltage, you can see a lot of current ranges which you can use to measure. So for example, you can measure voltage below 20 volts, you can measure voltage below 20 volts, as well as you can measure the voltage below 200 volts or even below 1000 volts. Similarly, when you are measuring AC, if you are measuring voltage below 200 volts, or you should keep the dial over here, for example like this. Otherwise, if you are measuring voltage below 750 volts, then you should keep your dial here, which can also measure DC current with this multimeter. Note that there is a DC symbol near this ampere, so it means you can measure DC current. And the next thing you should know is the probe placement. Now let me remove these probes. You should always be careful with where you put the probes. This black probe should always go in the COM port. This is the COM port. You should always place this port here. Other place for your black probe, so that the COM port is always for your black probe. If you are measuring voltages, then your red probe should always be placed here. If you are measuring the voltages, the red probe should always be placed here. Otherwise, if you are measuring currents which is of less than 500 milliamps, you should place your red probe here. And if you are measuring current which is more than 500 milliamps, you should place your probe over here. Very careful with this, because if you are placing the probe here and if you are measuring current more than 500 milliamperes, your meter will be damaged some way. Always remember that current should be measured in a series of a circuit and voltage should be measured in a parallel of a circuit. Now another thing that you should remember is always use this range carefully. For example, if you are setting your dial at 20 milliamps, always make sure, for example, you are setting your at 20 milliamps, always make sure that your current that you are going to measure is going to be less than 20 milliamps. If more than 20 milliamps, your meter will be damaged. Similarly, if you are placing your dial over here, make sure you are going to measure current less than 200 milliamps. If it is more than 200 milliamps, your meter will be damaged. So that is it, guys. It was just a basic introduction to how to use multimeter properly and to check if the multimeter is working properly or not. Thanks everyone. Thanks to you. Subscribe to our channel.